she walk by, every time she walk by, every time she walk by, I be like, there she go. Every time she walk by, I can see in her eyes, shawty be feeling my vibes, I be like, there she go. Every time she walk by, every time she walk by.
Hey guys, it is January 27th. I took off work today. It's Thursday. And I just had one of those days. I woke up today just not in the best of moods, just aggravated. I had a meeting with my daughter's teacher because the teacher and I and my daughter, we all pretty much had like a disagreement. So I just woke up today and I was just like not in the best of moods. So I don't know. I had to get my life together. So I went to the house, the other house, my rental property, and got my drill bits. And today I cleaned up the house, but today I'm gonna organize my life. I needed to put up some shelves in my room because my room's been feeling super cluttered. But anyway, on that note, I have my, where did I put it? I got my drill bit. So I'm going to go put up these cabinets. And my dog, I have this new puppy, and he's been giving me hell. He pooped in my garage. And I don't have a cage for him yet. I didn't even buy this puppy. I got this puppy because he was just in my yard and the kids picked him up. And he was cute. He looks like he might be some kind of special breed. He's outside actually. Him. Let me see if I can zoom in. See past this dirty window. I don't know what he is. He's super cute. Yeah. See if we'll get up. And that's Buddy. Buddy. I love him. He's so pretty. Anyway. See, that's my space that I need to clear out. And I got my shoes up here. Okay, I need to get in something a little bit more work appropriate. This. All right. So the first step is for me to figure out where I'm going to put actually put my shelf. So I'm just going to mark it. Can't do it. Alright. Harder than it looks. Apparently. Let's see if I can manage to get it. There we go. Alright. Super simple, right? Is it broke? I think it is. No, it's not. See, I gotta know what the hell I'm doing, right? Be in love like this. When I look at you, my mind goes on a trip. Okay, I didn't get anything special, just some old screws out the bag. Should work. Oh, you know what? I forgot something. Alright, so we're close to being done. I'm using paper instead of the, there's plastic that you can put. They're called anchors. And if you're using it in, you know, screwing holes in drywall, it's a good idea to use an anchor. But since I'm confident in this, and if I need to change it later on, I definitely can come back with some anchors. But for now, I'm okay with just doing it the way that I'm doing it right now. So I went ahead and decided I want to go ahead and make pilot holes just to make life a little easier. And it does, it makes life easier. Stick it in there and twist it tight. Oh, helper would be nice, but my kids are gone. Alright, so the way I do the paper, which I didn't do it on that one, it's not being good. So I just take a piece and then, it doesn't take much. But I just take a piece and I kind of wrap it around it when I screw it in. And again, you always can go and get the brackets. The, what are they called? They are called, anchors. You can get the anchors. Okay. I'm gonna screw those down first. If my camera dies, I'll just have to show you guys the finish. I'll show you the finished project, but that's why I'm trying to rush, because my camera is gonna go kaboom on me. All right. Let's see if this works. I'm gonna use some little screws. Sorry, my camera is acting really funky with me. And again, make sure if you're gonna put something heavy on this shelf that you're making, that you use your anchors, because this little shelf is just getting some small things off, and I think I might go back later actually and do my anchors. It's not good. Side does that. This one does it more. Kind of a last minute plan anyway to even do this. It's like I've been saying I'm gonna put this damn shelf up forever. Having all those clothes in that corner was getting on my nerves, and just want to start getting my room organized. Okay, that was a major fail. Stopping for a food break. So, I had to go to the store and get some anchors because it wasn't working. It fell down, as you saw. So now, we got, oops, that was a screw. We got anchors. So it should work now. This was more work than I thought it was going to be. Not really. It's just time consuming. Everything's time consuming. That's why people don't like to do things. Let's see if we can get this back up here. Oh, I'm going to use the screws that came with. So there's screws that come with it. I'm going to use them. Nothing special. The special part will be me holding this up while I'm screwing it in. I don't even know if I can do it. We'll see. I can do this, I deserve some wine or something. So I finally got my shelf up, and yes, you will need you will need anchors, but I got it up. And then this is the space I really need to work on because I'm running out of room in my room. And so yeah, so anyway, I need to get one more bracket just so that'll look uniform, and then I'll be done. But yeah, I'm gonna start cleaning up my room and getting it organized, and I will check in with you guys later.